You're anyone who has ever done any fingerboarding, anything like that, this may be a grail or essentially just one of the coolest things I'm going to open on this channel. So let's just get right into it. All right, I am so excited to open this. I've been actually only waiting 2 days, so this came really quick. I got this off eBay. I'm just going to tell you what it is. This is a Blackriver Complete 7-ply 36mm board. I've never owned a Blackriver product, so let's just open it up. And it actually survived, which is awesome. So this is from Board Paradise on eBay. Never ordered from them before, but crazy. So this is the Blackriver 36mm board, and this is a skull print. So let me just show you the box, because the box is really cool. I love all of Blackriver's products. So we have that logo right there. I'll try to zoom in here. So this is the 36mm. This is 7-ply. It's a power pop, I guess. And this is the design on the side of the box. Pretty cool. Let me see if I can read that. High-end precision Blackriver fingerboard. On this side, same thing. And the packaging is really cool. So looks really awesome. So very cool. Box too much because this is such a cool box, and I feel like I definitely want to keep it because Blackriver stuff is just always really. Oh my gosh, this board is huge. Wait, I just need to show you something. This is a 36mm 7-ply board, and this is a teak tuning board. Literally, look at the difference in the size. This thing is so cool. So on the front, it says, "Thank you for choosing," which is great. I really hope this comes with stickers. Yes, it does. Oh, this is so cool. And it comes with this really high quality pin thing, which is awesome because the ones that are plastic, I've never been a fan. Oh, I love this too. Comes with a small Blackriver sticker, which I really wanted. And some other stickers, and oh, another Blackriver sticker. So that's really cool that all these stickers come with just one board, which is awesome. And now obviously you guys want to see the actual board. Wow. This, okay. Off the bat, when I look at this board compared to this board, it is, the quality to me feels so much different. Like this is insane. So I think the biggest thing that I notice with the difference are the trucks. The trucks to me are already insanely different. Even the board, and also just the plies in this board. So let me do a close-up and just show you the differences, because I think it's really important to note, especially me never having a pro fingerboard. So let me just show you this. So the Blackriver one obviously has the Blackriver trucks. These are the 3.0, and they're just really well made. But I just feel like with teak tuning, they're not gonna use the same, but obviously you're paying a lot difference of a price. This is like, this is about 20 something to $40. This is $140, so obviously it's gonna be very different. I think the next thing that I also wanna point out is the plies that are on this board. So if you look, this is 7 plies, whereas this, I don't even know how many, but clearly not as much. What? Was that a first kickflip? First ollie? Oh my gosh, this board feels so much better. It's different though. I'm gonna have to get used to it, but it's really nice. For a long time, I feel like people are always like, Blackriver, the quality is just so much better. But then I'm like, why would I justify paying that much money for a fingerboard? But now I can understand why people were saying that about these boards. There's just a difference in quality. That's all I can really say. It's definitely very noticeable when you actually have it in your hands versus seeing it on a photo. But oh my gosh, I'm so excited that I actually have this board. What a cool graphic. I feel like I want to put some stickers on it, but shout out to Blackriver, my opinion, the best fingerboard company. And I actually have another package coming on the way. That's a secret until the actual video comes out. And fingerboarding to me has always been so cool, just so much fun, nostalgic. This brings me back to when I was a kid, but literally the fact that there's a company like Blackriver that makes a really high quality product, I think just makes me excited. And I think what's also cool about fingerboarding is just the community and being able to see different people who also fingerboard and just to create content as well. It's so cool making content for fingerboarding. So just really happy I got this board. So thanks so much for watching. Appreciate it. And I'll catch you in the next video. Peace out.